Why do 70% of people swear by home remedies for cough and cold relief? Let's find out. First up, mix 1. 2 teaspoons of honey in warm water or herbal tea. Honey's soothing powers can calm your irritated throat. Next, boil fresh ginger slices for 10 minutes. Add lemon juice and honey for a soothing, anti-inflammatory ginger tea. Turmeric milk is another winner. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk. Turmeric fights bacteria and viruses, giving your immune system a boost. For quick throat relief, try a saltwater gargle. It'll reduce inflammation and clear mucus. Steam inhalation is perfect for clearing nasal congestion. Add eucalyptus oil for an extra kick. Mix a pinch of black pepper with honey. Black pepper helps with mucus flow, easing your cough. And don't forget the basics. Rest and hydration. Water, herbal teas and soups keep you hydrated and help your body battle the infection. Lastly, garlic's antimicrobial properties make it a great addition to soups or eaten raw. Remember, these remedies may provide relief, but if symptoms persist, consult a healthcare professional. Stay healthy